बच्चों, how are you all? Okay, last class I thought to finish the activity book and notes also, but I couldn't finish because our textbook exercise was little lengthy, right? So today I'm going to take the activity book. Okay, all take your activity book, Pustak B book. All take ma. Only whatever we need, only we are going to fill in that. Okay. Okay, otherwise we can't omit that textbook, so that only I am giving that whatever it's needed, it's important, like without my support how can you write, that only I am giving. Okay, okay, take page number 37 of page of the Pustak B book, page number 37, page number 37. All of you take. See, I have planned to give this on 2nd March, but I couldn't, so today I am giving. If you want, you can write the date of today, okay? 05/3/2021, you can change the date as like that. Okay, then here what the question means. दिए गए वाक्यों में क्रिया के काल पहचान कर लिखे. काल, we learned about the काल, tense, right? वर्तमान काल, भूतकाल, वर्तमान काल, भविष्य काल, that we learned na, simple present tense, past tense, future tense. So from the given sentence you have to find out which tense is, which kaal is that one, and you have to write the kaal's name, tense name. So I have written only 2, rest you have to find out. Okay, listen carefully. हम अभी गूर्ख से आए हैं. Now only I came from Gurkh. It is what? Present tense or future tense or past tense? It is present tense. So Vartaman Kal. I have written as Vartaman Kal. Right there. Vartaman Kal. Then second question. मैं अपने दोस्त को पत्र लिखूँगा. मैं अपने दोस्त को पत्र लिखूँगा. I will write letter for my friend. I will write letter for my friend. You have to see the last one, likhunga. Last word you should see and you have to write which kaal it is. That is easy. He means it is vartaman kaal. He, haim, ho, that is vartaman kaal. Unga, yenge, yengi, that is bhavishyat kaal. Then next one you see, maa khana bana rahi hai. Mother is preparing food. Which tense, that one you have to write. क्या तुम भी कहीं घूमने गए थे? Whether you went anywhere for tour, like that he is asking. So went. So tha, the, thi, if it is coming means that is Pudakal. That also I will write and give this. Tha, the, thi, if it is coming means that is Pudakal. Okay, right there. Pudakal. Pudakal. So hey, it is coming means, hey, if it is coming means Vartaman Kal. Unga, unge is coming means Bhavishyat Kal. Tha, the, thi, it is coming means it is Bhutakal. Okay, don't forget that. Then if by knowing this one, you can write this one. वह दिन भर घूम ही रहा था. Daily he was roaming today fully. हमें कल जल्दी जाना है. Tomorrow I need to go. हमें कल जल्दी जाना है. Tomorrow I need to go. So that one you see and write what is that. Then page number 40. One poem it is given. From that some questions is there. First question is not needed. Okay. Second question you see. This one no need to learn. Only write the जीवन में प्राप्त होने वाले सुख दुख के प्रति दीवाने लोगों की प्रतिक्रिया. This one only copy that. दीवाने लोग सुख में हंसकर और दुख में रोकर कुछ समय बिताते हैं. फिर वे दोनों को अपनाकर एक जैसे हो जाते हैं. सुख और दुख का उन पर कोई प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता. That you write. Then the last one, निम्न पंक्तियों में सकर्मक क्रिया है या अकर्मक. निम्न पंक्तियों में सकर्मक. This one, that given sentence is अकर्मक और सकर्मक. सकर्मक means with the object will be there. अकर्मक means without object. So सुख दुख के कुंडों को पिए चलें. which सुख दुख के कुंडों को पिए चले. So कुंडों it is there. So सकर्मक. कुछ हंसे कुछ रोए. Sometimes we will laugh, sometimes we will cry. What is there? Nothing is there. So that is akarmaka. Okay, copy that. Then page number 43. पेज नंबर 43. दी गई धातुओं को क्रिया में बदलकर वाक्य में प्रयोग करो. साथ ही वाक्यानुसार क्रिया का प्रकार लिखें. See, some मूल धातु is given. From that you have to make it as one kriya. Kriya means verb you should make. One dhatu it is given, you should make as a kriya. Kriya, if you the dhatu when we are changing to kriya means it should add na with that. Okay, na. If we are adding na with that, it will become verb. Plus kha plus na, khana. Has plus na, hasna, like that. So that is the verb, dhatu and verbs comparison. So kha, khana. What is the vakya? You have to make one sentence using that. You have to change that mool dhatu into kriya, and after that you have to make one sentence using that. And what sentence it is? It is sakarmak or akarmak, you should write there. That is only this one. So first one kha, khana. See that kha, khana. And sentence is मैं खाना खाती हूँ. मैं खाना खाती हूँ. What he is eating? Khana. So it is there. So object it is there. So sakarmak. Okay. Then hasna, to laugh. तुम क्यों हंसते हो? Why are you laughing? So there no object is there. So akarmak. Then chalna, वह चलता है. He is moving. How he is telling where he is, nothing is there. So akarmak. पढ़ना, to learn. पढ़ना, तेजस पुस्तक पढ़ता है. तेजस is reading book. What he is reading? पुस्तक. So सकर्मक. Then लिखना, to write. Darren notes लिखता है. Darren notes लिखता है. Darren is writing the notes. So what Darren is writing? Notes. So सकर्मक. Understood? Okay. Then down it is. दिए गए वाक्यों में से सही कथन और गलत कथन पर का निशान लगाइए. ट्रू और फॉल्स. धातु क्रिया का मूल या मुख्य रूप है. धातु क्रिया का मूल या मुख्य रूप है. क्रियास मेन पार्ट ओनली धातु. वी नो दैट. Isn't it? First one you see that dhatu, from dhatu only we made a kriya, right? So dhatu is the main part of, basic part of kriya. That is true. सकर्म क्रिया वाले वाक्य में कर्म नहीं होता. सकर्म क्रिया वाले वाक्य में कर्म नहीं होता. इन सकर्म क्रिया एंड ऑल नो सेंटेंस. कर्म won't be there. Object won't be there. False. Is it? In सकर्म क्रिया only object will be there. अकर्म क्रिया वाले वाक्य में कर्म होता है. इन अकर्म क्रिया कर्म will be there. Is it true? No. Wrong. हंसना, रोना, भागना अकर्म क्रिया हैं. हंसना, रोना, भागना, इज इट अकर्म क्रिया? या. सो ट्रू. पढ़ना, खाना, पीना सकर्म क्रिया हैं. पढ़ना, खाना, पीना इस सकर्म क्रिया है. देन पेज नंबर 49. पेज नंबर 49. उचित वाक्यों शब्द से वाक्यों के पूरा करें. उचित शब्द you have to find out from the bracket and you have to, which word it will come here, you have to write there. महाराज की डैश नवाब अधिक चतुर है. महाराज की अपेक्षा उपेक्षा. According to Maharaj, Nawab is very clever. So according to अपेक्षा. पृथ्वी का डैश बहुत बड़ा है. पृथ्वी का डैश, what will be big of the earth? Earth's shape will be very big. So आकार means shape. आकार, पृथ्वी का आकार बहुत बड़ा है. तुम सही बोल रहे हो, इसका क्या डैश है? तुम, you are telling true only. For that what is the proof? So praman. Pranam means we are wishing. Praman means what is the proof. तुम्हारा मुझ पर बहुत बड़ा डैश है. तुम्हारा मुझ पर बहुत बड़ा उपकार है. तुम्हारा मुझ पर बहुत बड़ा उपकार है. You are so helpful to me. Then दिए गए वाक्यों के लिए एक शब्द लिखिए. For that, for given sentence you should give one word for that. जिसका मूल्य न बताया जा सके. We can't say the value of that अमूल्य. मूल्य जिसका मूल्य न बताया जा सके, अमूल्य. कहानी लिखने वाला, those who is writing the story, story writer. कहानीकार, कहानीकार. दूसरों पर उपकार करने वाला, those who is helping others. परोपकारी, परोपकारी. दूसरों पर उपकार करने वाला, परोपकारी. साथ पढ़ने वाला, those who is studying with us. Your friend who? सहपाठी. Who is your classmate? साथ पढ़ने वाला means classmate. सहपाठी, सहपाठी. Understood? Then उदाहरण इधर श्रुति सम भिन्नार्थक शब्दों का विवेचन कीजिए. We learned ना श्रुति सम भिन्नार्थक शब्द. That शब्द we have to explain with example. जो दो शब्द सुनने में तो समान लगते हैं लेकिन इनके अर्थ भिन्न होते हैं. Which word which we are seeing means it will look similar but the meaning of it will be different. That is only this श्रुति सम भिन्नार्थक शब्द. जैसे और का अर्थ है तरफ, और मीन्स साइड, व और का अर्थ है तथा, और मीन एंड. सो ऐसे शब्दों को श्रुति सम भिन्नार्थक शब्द कहते हैं. Like that words we will tell श्रुति सम भिन्नार्थक शब्द. Example काल कल, पत्ता पत्ता, हंस हंस हंस. काल means time, कल tomorrow or yesterday. पता letter, address. पत्ता leaf. Hans means what? To smile. Hans, swan. So look similar but the meaning is different. That only. Okay. Then page number 53. Page number 53. This also no need. Then even we are filling that. दिए गए चित्र देखें और इनमें छिपी कहावतें पहचान कर लिखें. By seeing the picture, what is the what we will say? Like कहावतें means proverbs. What we will say for that? Okay. अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. फर्स्ट वन, अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत. सेकेंड वन, खोदा पहाड़ निकली चूहिया. खोदा पहाड़ निकली चूहिया. बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद. बंदर क्या जाने अदरक का स्वाद. खरबूजा खरबूजे को देखकर रंग बदलता है. खरबूजा खरबूजे को देखकर रंग बदलता है. चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. ओनली फिल दैट. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 54. दिए गए वाक्यों में प्रयुक्त अवयव शब्दों को के सामने हस्ता चेहरा बनाएं. प्रयुक्त दिए गए वाक्यों में प्रयुक्त उचित अवयव के सामने हस्ता चेहरा बनाएं. यू हैव टू कीप हस्ता चेहरा. ओके, आई हैव टू टिक ऑन दैट. सॉरी. सर्दियों में दिन जल्दी जल्दी टलता है. सर्दियों में दिन जल्दी जल्दी टलता है. which क्रिया विशेषण will come, you have to find out that. सर्दियों में दिन जल्दी जल्दी चलता है. Here जल्दी जल्दी is the क्रिया विशेषण. So how it is happening, that is only रीतिवाचक. So रीतिवाचक, near to that you have to smiley face you. Okay, smiley face you put on that circle. Okay, don't want to put tick. You have to put smiley face. Okay. Then कूड़ा कूड़ेदान में डालो, इधर उधर मत फेंको. कूड़ा, the waste and all you have to keep on the dustbin. Here and there you should not put. So इधर उधर it is there. So place it is there. So स्थानवाचक. There you have to put smiley face. Okay. Then उतना खाओ जितना आवश्यक है. How much you need, you eat that much. So that is a quantity. So you should write परिमाणवाचक. सूरज प्रतिदिन उदय अस्त होता है. सूरज daily it will set on the set in the where it will set. Sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west, right? So sun will rise in the उदय अस्त होता है. Daily it will rise and set. Both will be there. So कालवाचक. Pratidin. So that is Pratidin is there, na? So daily. So that is Kalvajak, time. So there you should put smiley. Then वह भागते भागते गिर गया. वह भागते भागते गिर गया. He running he fell down. How he fell down? Running. So that is Ridivajak. So there you should put smiley. Then next page number 55. निम्न क्रिया विशेषणों का प्रयोग करके वाक्य बनाए और उनके उचित भेद का नाम लिखें. Some क्रिया विशेषण शब्द is there. You should make one sentence using that and you should write the name of that क्रिया विशेषण. First one चटपट. वह चटपट चले. How he went? चटपट. So रीतिवाचक. अत्यधिक संक्रामक रोग है कोरोना. It's a very dangerous disease only, corona. So very dangerous. How much dangerous? Very. अत्यधिक. So परिमाणवाचक. यहाँ वहाँ. कूड़ा यहाँ वहाँ नहीं फेंकना चाहिए. You should not throw the waste here and there. So that is स्थानवाचक. Here and there. ऊपर. मेज़ के ऊपर किताबें हैं. On the books are on the table. Where is the books? Books are on the table. So स्थानवाचक. Place it is there. सुबह. सूरज सुबह आता है. सूरज used to come in the morning. When it is coming? सुबह. So कालवाचक. Time. Understood? So this much is there in the book, activity book. Finish it as much. Take your own time and finish it. Okay. Next, this is Friday. Okay. Next our class is on Tuesday. Before that you can finish. Okay. Saturday, Sunday is there na. Okay, ma. Then you can go to the notes of the lesson. Part 10 Guno or Koyo. Artha. This one I plan to give on the Tuesday. So that only I have given that date. If you want, you can change the date. Okay. Write the date as 5/3/2021 Shukravar. Write that. Shukravar. Okay. Then Arth Indazam, arrangement. Poshak, dress. Parchai, shadow. Nichlatal, lower floor. Sharmindagi, embarrassment. Ashwasan, assurance. Bewakufi, stupid. Chot, injury. Once again, Indazam, arrangement. Poshak, dress. Parchai, shadow. Nichlatal, lower floor. Sharmindagi, embarrassment. Ashwasan, assurance. Bewakufi, stupid. Chot, injury. Okay. Then only 2 questions are there. Okay. Indonesia में किस नाम प्रसिद्ध है? Which name and all is famous in Indonesia? Indonesia में गुनो और कोयो नाम प्रसिद्ध है. गुनो and कोयो नाम only it's famous in Indonesia. Indonesia में किस नाम प्रसिद्ध है? इंडोनेशिया में गुनो और कोयो नाम प्रसिद्ध है. गुनो और कोयो नाम का मतलब क्या है? What is the meaning of that word गुनो and कोयो? गुनो नाम का मतलब होता है मददगार. गुनोस मीनिंग इज हेल्पिंग. और कोयो नाम का मतलब होता है अमीर. कोयोस मीनिंग इज रिच, अमीर. सो गुनो और कोयो नाम का मतलब क्या होता है? गुनो नाम का मतलब होता है मददगार और कोयो नाम का मतलब होता है अमीर. ओके. सो दिस 2 sentences only, 2 question answers only. Okay, then reading is very important. Read the lesson. Okay, ma. Read the lesson and finish the works whatever I am giving. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.